Congratulations on your new backyard pod. This is a quick video to show you how to set up the smart lock on your door. When your door comes, the lock's going to be in initialized state where any thumbprint is going to open the door. To open it, you simply pull to the right, and to lock it, you close it and push it to the left. In order to set up your key lock, you're going to hit star, then pound. It's going to ask you to add admin. It needs to be a 6-digit code. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pound. And then it's going to ask you to enter it again to confirm it.
0, 0, 1, successfully.
This is the main setting. You can back out of it at any point by selecting star. Now to set up your thumbprint, you're going to go back to that main menu. You're going to hit star, then pound.
Please verify admin.
Enter your admin. Then you're going to 1 to add user.
Add user.
And now you're just going to press your thumbprint multiple times on that pad.
Enter again. 0, 1, 0, successfully.
Now your thumbprint has been added. Now let's say you have a short-term Airbnb guest that you'd like to add, but you don't want to give them the main admin code. You're going to hit star, pound,
Please verify admin.
enter your admin code,
Add user. 2.
then you're going to add user. Select 1, and then you can give them whatever 6-digit code for them to use. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, pound.
Enter again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, pound.
0, 1.
Now they can use that code without having your admin code. You can also enter the door using this key card that comes with it. You'll simply go back to the menu, hitting star and pound.
1. Add user.
You can add user, select 1, and then you can simply scan the card.
0, 1, 2, successfully.
Now you'll be able to use the card to also get in. Just in case, we haven't seen this happen yet, but it also comes with this manual key. It just opens up the bottom handle, and then you can insert it in case there's a faulty lock, which we haven't seen yet, but you can still get in the door. Now your key lock is all set up. Enjoy your pod.